Benefits of outdoor activities for fitness. 1. Improved mental health. Exercising outdoors reduces stress and anxiety, boosting moods through exposure to fresh air and nature. 2. Vitamin D boost. Sunlight during outdoor activities enhances vitamin D levels, promoting bone health and immune function. 3. Better cardiovascular health. Hiking, cycling, and running increase heart rate and stamina, improving overall cardiovascular health. 4. Increased motivation. Varied outdoor environments make workouts more enjoyable and less monotonous than indoor routine. 5. Enhanced full-body workout. Uneven terrain and natural resistance engage more muscles, improving balance, coordination,